Imagine waking up every morning and looking in the mirror, seeing radiant, youthful skin and hair that shines with vitality. What if I told you that one simple, natural oil could help you achieve this, not through expensive creams, not through complicated treatments, but through nature itself? Today, I'm going to reveal to you a secret backed by science that could transform your skin and hair starting tonight. Argan oil has emerged as one of the most potent natural solutions for maintaining youthful, radiant skin, and the science behind it is truly remarkable. Packed with antioxidants and a high concentration of vitamin E, argan oil works at the cellular level to combat oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of premature aging. Every day, our skin is exposed to environmental factors like pollution, UV rays, and free radicals that damage cells and accelerate the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Unlike many synthetic creams that only temporarily mask these signs, argan oil penetrates deeply to nourish, repair, and protect the skin from within. What makes argan oil so unique is its composition of essential fatty acids, including linoleic and oleic acid. These fatty acids are critical in maintaining the integrity of the skin's barrier, ensuring that moisture is retained while harmful elements are kept out. When the skin's barrier is compromised, it becomes dry, dull, and more prone to premature aging. Regular application of argan oil restores this barrier, allowing the skin to remain hydrated, supple, and resilient. Clinical research has demonstrated that topical use of argan oil not only improves elasticity but also enhances skin density, which directly contributes to a firmer, more youthful appearance. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant found abundantly in argan oil, is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals and prevent cellular damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that accelerate the breakdown of collagen and elastin, two essential proteins that provide structure and flexibility to the skin. By neutralizing these molecules, argan oil slows the aging process and reduces the visible signs of damage, including fine lines, sagging, and uneven skin tone. What many people don't realize is that oxidative stress doesn't only affect older skin, it impacts everyone, regardless of age. Early incorporation of argan oil into your daily routine can act as a preventative measure, protecting skin before significant damage occurs. Beyond antioxidants and fatty acids, argan oil contains squalene, a naturally occurring compound that further enhances skin hydration and regeneration. Squalene mimics the skin's natural oils, making it highly compatible with all skin types, including sensitive and mature skin. This compatibility ensures deep absorption without clogging pores or causing irritation. Studies have shown that consistent use of argan oil can reduce rough texture, improve tone, and enhance the skin's overall radiance. Imagine waking up each morning to skin that feels soft, nourished, and visibly younger, without relying on harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. Another fascinating aspect of argan oil is its role in supporting the body's own repair mechanisms. Skin aging is not solely a result of external factors, it is also influenced by the decline in cellular repair over time. The antioxidants in argan oil stimulate the production of new cells while protecting existing cells from damage, creating an environment where the skin can naturally regenerate. This dual action, protection and regeneration, is what makes argan oil one of the most effective natural anti-aging solutions available today. Even dermatologists recognize the value of argan oil for its multifunctional properties. Its ability to hydrate, repair, and protect simultaneously sets it apart from conventional products that often focus on just one benefit. By addressing the root causes of skin aging rather than only the surface symptoms, argan oil provides long-term benefits that grow more apparent with consistent use. Every drop is concentrated with nutrients that work in harmony with the body, creating an anti-aging effect that feels both natural and sustainable. If you want, I can also expand key point 2 in a similar professional style for hair strengthening, keeping the same tone and hooks to make it a full speech-ready content series. Do you want me to do that next? Expend key point 2 on 600 words, and don't add any headings, don't mention hook word, conclusion words, and make IT more professional and engaging and ad hocs in this absolutely. Here's an expanded, professional, and engaging version of key point 2. Strengthens hair naturally with argan oil in about 600 words, written in the style of Dr. William Lee, with subtle hooks embedded. Fully professional, and no headings or conclusion words. Argan oil has become a cornerstone in natural hair care because of its remarkable ability to nourish, strengthen, and revitalize hair from root to tip. The high concentration of essential fatty acids, particularly oleic and linoleic acid, works in perfect harmony with the hair's natural structure. These fatty acids penetrate deeply into the hair shaft, repairing damage caused by environmental stressors, heat styling, and chemical treatments. Many people struggle with dull, brittle hair that breaks easily, unaware that the solution lies in restoring the essential nutrients that hair naturally loses over time. Regular application of argan oil replenishes these nutrients, reinforcing the hair's internal structure and making it more resilient to everyday stress. One of the most powerful components of argan oil is vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that plays a critical role in maintaining scalp and hair health. Oxidative stress, caused by free radicals from pollution, UV rays, and even stress itself, can weaken hair follicles and accelerate hair thinning and breakage by neutralizing these free radicals. Argan oil protects hair at the cellular level, supporting growth and preventing premature damage. People often notice a significant difference in hair texture and strength within weeks of consistent use, as the follicles are nourished and the scalp is revitalized, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. The moisturizing properties of argan oil are equally important. Many individuals experience dryness, frizz, and split ends because the natural oils that protect hair are stripped away through washing, sun exposure, or chemical treatments. Argan oil mimics these natural oils, providing deep hydration that smooths the cuticle and reduces frizz without leaving hair greasy or weighed down. Unlike synthetic conditioners or silicone-based treatments, argan oil penetrates rather than coats the hair, delivering nutrients that strengthen from within. This hydration also helps maintain elasticity, which is essential for hair to withstand daily styling and manipulation without breaking. Squalene, another naturally occurring compound in argan oil, enhances the hair's ability to retain moisture while supporting repair mechanisms in the follicles. This not only prevents damage, but also improves shine and softness, giving hair a healthy, vibrant appearance. Many people underestimate the importance of follicle health, yet it is the foundation of strong, resilient hair. By applying argan oil regularly, the scalp receives critical nutrients that stimulate blood circulation and promote the delivery of oxygen and vitamins to the follicles, directly influencing hair strength and growth. Research and clinical observations confirm that argan oil is effective for all hair types, from fine and straight to thick and curly, because it adapts to the hair's natural needs without causing buildup or irritation. For individuals experiencing hair thinning or breakage, integrating argan oil into the daily hair care routine can reverse damage over time and enhance density and volume. Even for those with healthy hair, argan oil acts as a protective barrier, shielding hair from environmental damage while maintaining its natural shine and resilience. The application is straightforward, making it accessible and practical for long-term use. Just a few drops massaged into the scalp and distributed along the hair shaft can transform weak, brittle strands into strong, luminous hair. This simple, science-backed solution harnesses nature's own nutrients to restore and maintain hair health, providing results that are visible, touchable, and sustainable. The combination of hydration, antioxidant protection, and cellular support makes argan oil one of the most effective natural treatments for achieving hair that is not only stronger but also healthier, more resilient, and full of life. If you want, I can now expand key point 3, cellular level rejuvenation, in the same style, creating a continuous, professional speech-ready content for all points. Do you want me to proceed with that? Expand key point 3 on 600 words. And don't add any headings, don't mention hook word. Conclusion words, and make IT more professional and engaging and add hacks in this absolutely. Here's an expanded, professional, and engaging version of key point 3, cellular level rejuvenation with argan oil in about 600 words, written in Dr. William Lee's style with embedded subtle hooks. Fully professional and no headings or conclusion words, Argan oil is not just a superficial moisturizer. Its impact reaches deep into the skin and hair at a cellular level, stimulating regeneration and repair. The antioxidants and essential fatty acids within argan oil work synergistically to create an optimal environment for cell health. Oxidative stress, caused by free radicals from environmental pollutants, UV radiation, even normal metabolic processes, damages cells and accelerates the visible signs of aging. When applied consistently, argan oil neutralizes these harmful molecules, protecting the integrity of skin and hair cells while enhancing their natural repair mechanisms. This means that each application doesn't merely mask damage but actively supports the body's own regenerative capacity, a principle that is often overlooked in traditional cosmetic approaches. Vitamin E, present in high concentrations in argan oil, plays a pivotal role in cellular health. It functions as a potent antioxidant and a stabilizing agent for cellular membranes, which are essential for maintaining the structure and function of each cell. Damaged membranes can lead to moisture loss, inflammation, and premature aging. By reinforcing these membranes, argan oil ensures that cells retain hydration, nutrients, and resilience. Over time, this leads to skin that is visibly firmer, smoother, and more elastic, while hair follicles become stronger and better nourished, reducing breakage and hair thinning. The linoleic and oleic acids in argan oil further contribute to cellular rejuvenation by regulating lipid production within the skin and scalp. Lipids are essential for maintaining barrier function, which protects cells from external stressors and prevents dehydration. When the lipid balance is restored, the skin maintains its youthful plumpness, and the hair shaft becomes resilient and flexible. Many individuals experience a transformation in both texture and strength as argan oil penetrates deep into tissues, reaching cells that conventional creams or treatments often cannot. The cellular level action ensures that benefits are long-lasting and cumulative, rather than temporary or superficial. Squalene, another component of argan oil, enhances oxygenation and circulation at the cellular level, supporting the delivery of essential nutrients to both skin and hair cells. Improved blood flow stimulates the natural production of collagen and elastin, proteins that provide structure and elasticity. This process not only reduces visible signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin, but also improves the overall resilience of hair follicles. Cells that receive adequate oxygen and nutrients function more efficiently, producing healthier, more robust tissue that resists damage over time. Scientific studies indicate that regular topical application of argan oil can activate cellular pathways responsible for regeneration. By signaling cells to repair and renew themselves, the oil enhances the skin's natural turnover and accelerates recovery from environmental stress and minor damage. This cellular level rejuvenation is particularly important as natural repair processes decline with age. The ability of argan oil to support these mechanisms makes it a powerful tool for maintaining vitality, radiance, and structural integrity in both skin and hair. Unlike treatments that offer immediate but fleeting results, the cellular impact of argan oil compounds with consistent use. Each application reinforces the protective barrier, neutralizes damaging molecules, and provides essential nutrients that cells require for optimal performance. Individuals often report that their skin appears more luminous and supple, while hair feels stronger, thicker, and more resilient. This deep, science-based effect is what distinguishes argan oil as a superior natural solution for anyone seeking long-term health and beauty at the cellular level. If you want, I can now expand key point 4, easy daily integration, in the same style. So all 4 key points together form a full professional, speech-ready series for your topic. Do you want me to proceed with that? Expend key point 4 on 600 words, and don't add any headings. Don't mention hook word and conclusion words, and make IT more professional and engaging and ad hocs in this absolutely. Here's an expanded, professional, and engaging version of Key Point 4, Easy Daily Integration of Argan Oil, in about 600 words, written in Dr. William Lee's style, with subtle hooks, fully professional, and no headings or conclusion. Words. Integrating argan oil into a daily skincare and hair care routine is remarkably straightforward, yet its simplicity belies the profound impact it can have over time. The beauty of argan oil lies not only in its potent composition but also in its ease of use, making it accessible to anyone seeking healthier skin and stronger hair. Unlike complex treatments that require multiple steps, specialized tools, or professional supervision, a few drops of argan oil each day are enough to start delivering significant results. This simplicity encourages consistency, which is the key factor in achieving long-term benefits. The application process for skin is intuitive. A small amount of argan oil can be warmed between the fingertips and gently massaged onto the face, neck, or hands. This allows the oil to penetrate deeply into the skin, reaching layers where hydration and cellular repair are most needed. Because argan oil is naturally compatible with the skin's own oils, it absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin. Over time, regular application enhances the skin's moisture retention, elasticity, and radiance, while simultaneously reducing the appearance of fine lines and uneven texture. For hair, the process is equally efficient. Just a few drops can be applied directly to the scalp or distributed along the length of the hair to nourish and protect each strand. Massaging argan oil into the scalp stimulates circulation, which supports nutrient delivery to hair follicles and encourages healthy growth. Applying the oil along the hair shaft seals in moisture, prevents breakage, and reduces frizz. Even for individuals with thick, coarse, or curly hair, the oil's lightweight consistency ensures that it does not weigh hair down, while delivering essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and squalane to maintain hair strength and shine. Consistency is reinforced by the versatility of argan oil. It can be incorporated at any time of the day, whether as part of a morning routine to protect and hydrate, before environmental exposure, or in the evening to allow overnight repair and rejuvenation. Some users choose to mix argan oil with their favorite moisturizer or conditioner, enhancing the product's effectiveness while simplifying their routine. This adaptability ensures that using argan oil does not feel like an additional chore, but rather a seamless addition that complements existing self-care habits. The cumulative effect of daily integration is particularly compelling. Each application provides antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and other bioactive compounds that support cellular repair, hydration, and structural integrity. As days turn into weeks, users often observe visible changes. Skin appears smoother, firmer, and more luminous, while hair becomes stronger, shinier, and more resilient. The repeated, consistent exposure ensures that the benefits are not fleeting but build over time, creating long-lasting results that reflect both inner health and external vitality. Furthermore, the ease of use removes barriers to adoption. Unlike treatments requiring professional appointments or expensive equipment, argan oil empowers individuals to take control of their own skin and hair health at home. The simple ritual of applying a few drops daily is a practical yet highly effective approach to long-term wellness. Scientific evidence supports that even minimal but consistent exposure to the bioactive compounds in argan oil can significantly enhance barrier function, antioxidant protection, and tissue repair, making daily integration both efficient and profoundly impactful. The versatility and convenience of argan oil also encourage experimentation with personal routines. It can be used as a pre-styling treatment to protect hair from heat, a post-wash hydrating serum, or even as a gentle massage oil for rejuvenating skin. This flexibility makes it not only effective but also enjoyable to use, transforming a simple act of self-care into a meaningful investment in long-term beauty and health. Each day, the small act of applying argan oil reinforces the body's natural capacity for repair, hydration, and protection, creating a sustainable routine that continues to yield visible and measurable results. So today, I challenge you to embrace this natural, science-backed solution. Let argan oil become your ally in the journey to healthier skin and stronger hair. Remember, the power to rejuvenate your body isn't always found in high-tech treatment. It's often in simple, natural solutions that support your body's own ability to heal. Start tonight and watch nature work its magic. Your skin and hair will thank you.